I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel, and I brought out my 17-inch Dreamtopia Barbie. This is one of my favorite dolls in my collection. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the hair or the size or what it is, but I love this doll. I make most of her clothes. She did come with her original Dreamtopia dress, but that's it. She did not have shoes. These are Monster High boots. I've done some videos on what you can do for the 17-inch dolls. Also, I think I did these pants on a video and some of the others. I love these little fashion dolls. They're just fun. I thought about making her some clothes, and I remember this pattern gone bad. This is a pattern I used for this coat that when Tammy Polly at Peace Craft Dolls and I did Cruella dolls, I made this for one of the reminders for a Blythe, and it was huge. And I tried it on a Barbie and it was huge, and I tried it on a curvy Barbie and it was pretty big. So I tried it on her, and I thought maybe I could adjust these patterns just a little bit for a 17-inch Dreamtopia Barbie doll. Okay, so I took the top pattern and I held it up in the window with a piece of copy paper over it. I drew around it. I wrote my notes on here, where it's from, etc. This is how it fits Barbie, exactly how they said to do it. Now, it says 11.5-inch doll. No, that's not going to do it. I'm going to put some little darts here, and we're going to call it a day. I would make this again for her, but I would make a few changes. So here it is with the darts. I took this pattern, I cut it out just as it was on the pattern sheet for this pattern, and I put it on this 17-inch Dreamtopia, who I love. She's one of my favorite dolls in my collection, but you can see the darts really made a difference. Now, I need to put a snap on the back still. The top, I would have cut a little bigger, but that, it's not bad. She has a new midi shirt. So now my little rainbow high doll needs a coat, and I happen to have this fleece, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try it. So I'm going to take this coat, I'm going to try it on Karma and see how and what we can do with that pattern. I like adjusting patterns. And if you can see Lucy back here, she's still waiting for clothes, and she's like, try something for me. But I wanted to get some coats made and come back and see what happens with Karma. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Forgive my dogs playing in the background. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.